Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Sheets. To get started, open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. If you are already signed into your Google account, you will see the option to create a blank spreadsheet or choose a template. Click on the blank to open a new spreadsheet. When it opens, you will see a grid made up of rows and columns. Each box in the grid is called a cell. Cells are where you type your information. The columns are labeled with letters across the top and the rows are labeled with numbers along the side. For example, the first cell in the top left corner is A1. That means column A and row 1. If you click on a cell, you can start typing right away. You can type words, numbers, or even a date. When you press Enter, what you typed will stay in that cell. If you want to move around, you can click with your mouse or use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Above the grid, you will see the toolbar. This is where you can change how your spreadsheet looks. You can change the font, text size, and text color. You can also make text bold, italic, or underlined. To make cells easier to read, you can change the background color or add borders around them. Google Sheets is not just for typing in numbers. It also lets you do calculations. To calculate something, you use a formula. Every formula starts with an equal sign. For example, type equals 2 plus 2 in a cell and press Enter. Sheets will give you the answer, which is 4. Instead of typing numbers directly, you can also use cell references. For example, type equals A1 plus A2, and Sheets will add together the values inside those two cells. If you have a lot of information, you can organize it by sorting and filtering. Sorting lets you arrange your data in ascending or descending order. Filtering lets you hide rows that you do not need to see right now. This makes it easier to focus on the information that matters most. One of the most powerful features of Google Sheets is sharing. Since it is online, you can work on the same spreadsheet with other people at the same time. To share, click the Share button in the top right corner, then enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can choose if they can only view, comment, or fully edit the file. Your work is saved automatically as you go, so you never have to press a save button. Even if you close your browser, you can return later and your file will still be there, exactly as you left it. That is the basic idea of how Google Sheets works. Thanks for watching.